So it's been a while since I've done one of these. I am officially into the third trimester. I am 29 weeks today. So last week was when I officially hit the third trimester. I'm still feeling really great. Things have been going really well. No more shingles, no more being sick. I'm starting to get a little bit more tired in the afternoons again, but it kind of just seems like as long as I'm eating healthy, getting a workout in, and then just keeping myself active, I don't get as tired. It's when I sit down and rest that I kind of start to get tired and feel like I need a nap, and I think that's with any time in my life, I guess, even when I'm not pregnant, that happens. So that's about the only update I have. I had my 3D ultrasound at 27 weeks and it's still a little girl, so we were able to paint the nursery. I can show you guys what we did for the nursery. In here, there's a lot of totes and toys and whatnot, but we did purple, we did brown on the 3 walls, and then we did purple on the 1 wall. And then on this purple wall where the crib is, we'll put, probably, I kind of want to, my cousin does like, she can put like prints on wood, on old wood or whatever, and so I kind of want to get this saying and then a J with her name, because we did pick out the name Jaylee. So we've gotten that far. Room is painted. I just have to pick out some decorations now, get some girl sheets and blankets and whatnot, and deck it out in pink and purple, so that will be fun. Otherwise, not really much else to report as far as my workouts go. I'm still skipping the core workout, still following the PIO program a couple days a week, and then I've also been doing one kind of leg day, and I'll just use 5-pound weights and follow the guide for P90X legs and back, and then I do 1 day of arms and shoulders and back, and kind of follow some of the things that I learned in P90X as well as with Shailene Extreme. So it's a nice thing about having done a few at-home programs. One thing that I have really started to feel is a lot of guilt about bringing a second baby into the house. I know for the past 2.5 years it's literally just been Trey and Mom against the world. And even him and my husband, I'm really feeling guilty. I'm feeling bad. I know that it will be fine, and it's not the end of the world for him to have to learn that he's not the center of the universe. But, just kind of that second child guilt. But like I said, I know it will be fine. He'll be an awesome big brother. I'm just feeling a little bit guilty. Some days I look back and think, man, I could have done more with Trey today. Why didn't I slow down and take a break? And then I think, what am I going to do when there's 2 of them? So maybe working on time management a little bit will be something in my future, just so I can make sure I'm devoting enough time to him as well as to the baby when she comes. So moving into the third trimester, I can't wait for January to get here. My next doctor's appointment is next week. It's at 30 weeks. I so far have gained about 10 pounds. So I'm at 29 weeks. I've gained about 10 pounds. I did, lose a few pounds in the beginning in my first trimester just from being sick and whatnot. So probably would have gained a little bit more maybe if I hadn't have been so sick, but I'm still focusing on eating as healthy as I can. I've been actually doing way better the past few days. Halloween candy is around. I've been able to keep it to just 1 piece a day, and then finding it easier to just turn certain things down. Like I had there for a while been on a kick with eating ice cream and cereal two things that my hubby always has at night, always has in our house that I used to be able to say no to, no problem. And for some reason, I kind of got on a roll where I was eating them almost daily. And so